Hi Dresso Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the cat bee from Poppy Playtime. So let's get started. To draw this cute cat bee, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So we're going to come right here and draw this really big oval at a slight slant. So I'm just going to kind of turn my body a little bit and come about right here. Or if it's easier, you can always just turn your paper. But you want to try to make this oval here at a slant. So I'm going to come right here, draw this really big oval for her eyes. Kind of like drawing an egg or an avocado. Okay, so just a little bit sharper at the top and rounder at the bottom. Okay, so now that we have that one, let's come right across. I'm just going to come right across, say not too wide. So let's say about right here. I'm going to draw the other one. So once again, I'm going to turn my body a little bit and we're going to go up. So just imagine this curve, like this is the bridge of her nose. So you can just kind of follow that if it's easier. Draw the bridge like that, just this curve right here. And then from there, let's go ahead and finish off this eye. So a little bit sharper towards the top. And let's round it off. There. Okay, so now we got these two ovals. Kind of tricky, right? So hopefully by turning your body or the paper, you get a better angle, and definitely make any adjustments you need. From there, let's go ahead and we're going to come, let's say a little bit more, a little bit towards the bottom right here, a little bit below center, sorry. And I'm going to come about right here, and I'm just going to draw a curve right across. And then I'm going to continue it out for some lashes. So just thicken this up right here. And then we're going to come inside and draw kind of like this half circle right in here. And then a little highlight right here with a circle and shade everything else in. And then we can come over here with another lash, spruce it up even more. There. So same exact thing on the other side. All right, here, let's go up a little bit and then come down with a beautiful long lash and out. And one more lash. Right there, and then another half circle right in here. And a highlight. And shade everything in. There. So we have our gorgeous eyes in. I'm just going to come in here and thicken this up a little bit more. Then from there, let's go ahead and in the center between the eyes, about right here, we're going to draw a tiny little nose. So just a small little curve and then connect it at the center with this wide V. And then we're going to come out and draw an oval. So a thick oval. So a curve on both sides and then go ahead and just connect it. And bring it in. There. Then from there, let's come back to the center. We're going to come straight down. So we're going to start to draw her mouth. Come straight down, and about right here, we're going to curve down and then curve it around. So same thing here. Come down and then curve around. And then in this space right here, towards the bottom, just kind of connect it with a curve. There. And I'll just come in here and just shade this in so you can see a little bit better. Probably like a dark brown, but I'll check that out. Maybe it'll help if I shaded that in. Okay, so then from there, let's go up and draw her brow. So I'm going to come, say about right here, And I'm just going to draw a curve over the eye and slant it down. And then thicken it up. And same thing here. So go up and then slant down and thicken this part up. There, very fancy, right? Maybe I shouldn't have shaded this part in. Maybe it's not as black, but I'll check it and fix it if I need to. Then from there, let's go ahead and frame her face. So we're basically kind of drawing like this big, like the usual dumpling shape. So I'm going to come about right here where the eyes come out. Just give myself a little point right next to the lashes. So same thing here. So it's like a little dumpling, a little bit thinner at the top. So we're going to go up. And I'm just going to bring this across. So say about right here. So it's easier for my hands to draw downwards on this side. And let's just go ahead and connect it at the top. So towards the center, about right here, and connect. There. And then from there, we're going to widen it out a little bit for the cheek area and start to come in. And we're going to bring that curve really close to the mouth. So say about right here, I'll give myself a point, and that's where I'm going to aim to go. So come down, we're going to start to flatten it out. So on both sides. And connect. There. And same thing here. There. Okay, so like I said, it's just this dumpling shape, a little bit narrower at the top and wider at the bottom. Then from there, let's draw her ears. So I'm going to come about into this space right here, and we're going to flop down a curve, nice big curve, and about right here, round it off a little bit, and then bring it in. And for some details, let's come right here and draw a big curve, and then another one. So it's much thicker on this side. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Just drag some points across, so it's approximately. So once again, we're just going to flop these ears down. I need to change my Sharpie soon. And same thing here, bring it in and connect, and then once again, nice thick curve right here and a thinner one right here. Then of course we need, it's a bee, right? A cat bee. So right here, let's draw some antennas. We're going to come up and round, nice and round, and then bring it in. You can extend this out a little bit. So same thing here, about right here. Just go up and around and bring it in. And once again, extend that. There. And then for some markings, before I forget, we're going to come right here. So this is definitely brown, but I just want to show you. If you don't want like this harsh black line around it, you can just color it in with a brown marker. Just have some of these stripes right here. There. Now it's nice and complete, right? Then from there, let's draw her body. So I'm going to come to say about right here, kind of like where her mouth is, come out a little bit, and about right here. I'm just going to start with a curve right there. And then on this side, before I draw the rest of the body, I know I'm going to stick this wing right here, kind of like in her cheek area. So about right here, I'm just going to come out, get this done, and draw a wing. And just pop it in right there. Then I'm just going to come right about here and draw the back side and curve. So I've created this curve and this curve to draw her body. Then from there, let's bring this down a little bit more. Let's bring it nice and low. Let's say, just imagining this oval shape. So let's say about right here. I'm going to stop, and then in this area right underneath the eye, I'm going to come about right here, and we're going to start the front leg. So we're going to draw a curve right there. Continue this down and curve. Then let's thicken it up. So just give it a little point and bring it all the way down. All right there. And then we're just going to draw a soft curve to connect everything. There for one leg. And on the other one, so about right here. Try to make it about the same width. And here, let's go ahead and draw the same thing. We're just going to curve out. It's going to be slightly higher. So round it off. And same thing once again. Just connect it with a soft curve. There. So then now let's continue this through. Just go up a little bit. And before we finish that, let's come back here and we're just going to, so just imagine this is the angle, so about right here. We're going to draw the same thing. So come down for the back leg, curve it in a little bit, and then down. And bring this in. And once again, just connect everything nice and soft. Okay, so then just whatever space you have left, just connect it. And I think we might see a bit of the back, so I'm just kind of following the original. So about right here, I'm just going to add part of the leg right there. Then that's the main part. Then let's draw the tail. So in this area right here, just pop out this tail, come out, round it off, and bring it right back in. So it's a little bit thinner right here. Maybe not that thin. I'll thicken it up a little bit. Okay, so then from there, let's draw in some details. So in the chest area right here, I'm going to come right here, draw a curve to about right here. And then we're going to come about right here and just draw a curve in. So this is like the white part, the fur. And some stripes, right? So I'm going to quickly just draw in these stripes, but like I said, if you don't want this harsh black line, just color it in. And same thing here. Just use a brown marker to do this part. And then this one kind of goes up a little bit, and then down, and same thing here. Bring this down a little bit more. Too thin. Okay, and then the tail. And one here. And then there's a stripe on the body, so it's come about right here. Just curve. There. And of course we need to add a heart to make her my Draw So Cute Cat bee. But that is pretty much it. I'll just come in here really quickly and erase this so it's not so confusing. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Cat Bee from Poppy Playtime. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.